I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming you have legal authority, otherwise stop. Once you have permission, define the scope, which device, which dates, which user. Make sure you can access account credentials or device admin controls because remote options require admin rights. Also document consent in writing. This protects you and clarifies expectations. Once done, gather identifiers, device name, OS version, router model, and whether accounts sync browsing data to a cloud service. These facts guide safe next steps. Next, check legitimate places where traces may exist. This is why we documented accounts and device type. If the user's browser sync is active, some activity might be visible in the account's web activity. Request access properly. For managed or home networks, authorized router or ISP logs can record destinations, not page content, so know the limit. For employer or family devices, review enterprise/mobile device management or parental monitoring tools only under policy and consent. If unsure, consult legal counsel. To finish responsibly, act within the authorization. Extract logs you are permitted to collect, summarize findings, and secure all copies. If expected records are absent, do not attempt covert bypasses. That risks legal and ethical violations. Instead, escalate to an IT administrator or a certified digital forensics professional who can perform authorized recovery and preserve chain of custody. Make sure to log every action and preserve consent records. This protects both privacy and your legal standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.